Good day, Mamel. I am Geneva Maya Acosta Castillo. I am a student of BSA major in agronomy, and I am here to discuss my answers in learning activity 3 and 4. So, let's start. So now let's start to discuss the learning activity 3. And here's the first problem 2.1. And the instruction here is to identify the functional groups in the following molecules. So the first molecule is the acrylic acid, which has two functional groups. And its first functional group is the carboxylic acid functional group. And the second one is OH or hydroxyl functional group. The second molecule is the aspirin, and it has three functional groups: the carboxylic acid functional group, ester functional group, and the aromatic functional group. So the last molecule that has given in problem 2.1 is the glucose, and it has 6 functional groups, which are OH or hydroxyl functional group, aldehyde functional group, hemiacetal functional group, carbonyl functional group, alkyl functional group, carboxylic acid functional group. So these are the answers in problem 2.1. So let's go to the problem 2.8, and its instruction here is to identify the carbon atoms in the following molecules as primary, secondary, tertiary, or quaternary. So here is the carbon atoms that we are going to identify, which is the primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. So these are the legends, the color here. So the green one is the primary, the orange one is secondary, the yellow one is tertiary, and the pink one is quaternary. So the carbon atoms here, letter A. So this 3 CH3 here is identified as primary, and the orange one here is secondary, which is CH2, and the tertiary is in the middle one, this one CH, and the quaternary is this CH2 beside in CH3. The second carbon atoms, this one. So our primary here is the CH3, 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 the outside part. And the secondary is this in the middle one, CH. And the tertiary is the yellow one, this one, CH. And the quaternary is this one beside the CH3, CH2, CH2. These are the quaternary. And the last carbon atoms is this. Sorry. This one. So this all green here is the primary, the CH3, 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 the all outside part of the carbon atoms. And the secondary one is in the middle one, this one, the orange one. And the tertiary is this one, CH. And the quaternary is this C, this pink one. So these are all the answers in my problem 2.8. So now let's go to the problem 2.10, and the instruction here is to draw structures corresponding to the following IUPAC names. So here are the 4 structures that is given in problem 2.10. Letter A is 3,4-dimethylnonane. Letter B is 3-ethyl 1,2,4 4-dimethylheptane. This one. And letter C is 2,2-dimethyl 4-propyloctane. And letter D is 2,2,4-trimethylpentane. This one. So here is the following IUPAC names. So I apply the condensed structure. This is the condensed structure of 3,4-dimethylnonane. This one. And the letter B is 3-ethyl 1,4,4-dimethylheptane. Letter B. And the letter C is 2,2-dimethyl 4-propyloctane. Letter C. And letter D is 2,2,4-trimethylpentane. So these are the condensed structure of the following IUPAC names. I'm done discussing my answers in learning activity 3, so let's proceed to learning activity 4. And here we go. The problem 2.12, and its instruction is slide along a CC band of prepare and draw a Newman projection of the most stable conformation. Draw a Newman projection of the least stable conformation. So here is my drawing in the most stable conformation of propane, the Newman projection. Propane staggered conformation. This one. And this one is the least stable conformation of propane. Propane eclipse conformation. So this is my answer in problem 2.12. So let's proceed to 2.16, and the instruction here is propose skeletal structures for the following molecular formulas. So letter A is C9H8. So here's my skeletal structure. Letter B, C3H60. So here is my skeletal structure. And the letter C is C4H9Cl. So this is my skeletal structure. This is the skeletal structure rather. And let's go to problem 2.18. Give IUPAC names for the following cycloalkanes. So the first structure, this one. So the IUPAC names is 1,3-dimethylclehoxane. 1,3-dimethylclehoxane. Letter B is CH2, CH3, CH3. And its IUPAC names is 3-ethyl 1-methylcyclopentane. This one. And letter C is CH3. It is isopropylclobutane. This one. And let's go to problem 2.19. Draw structures corresponding to the following IUPAC names. Letter A is 1/3 butyl 2-methylcyclopentane. So here is the structure. This one. And letter B is 1,1-dimethyl cyclopentane. So here is the structure. And C is 1-ethyl-4-isopropyl cyclohexane. So here is the structure. And the letter D is 3-cyclopropylhexane. This one. Let's go to problem 2.20. Draw earth's 1-chloro-3-methyl-cyclopentane. So here it is. Draw earth's 1-chloro-3-methyl-cyclopentane. This is the structure. So let's go to the last number, problem 2.21. Draw both earths and terms of isomers of 1,2-dibromocyclotoluene. So this is I draw. So Br, 2H, 1H, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second one is hydrogen, Br, hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is I draw in problem 2.21. So that's all is my answer in learning activity